Consumers should look for a licensed contractor. You need to make sure that you have somebody that actually is licensed to do so, and also making sure that they have a physical location. That way you're not chasing a would-be contractor if there's a problem down the road. Also, being a member of the Better Business Bureau obviously is very big to be able to make sure that they're maintaining a standard and that they're willing to take care of things or go to arbitration if there is a problem that would occur. Then from there, you want to go ahead and start looking at what type of products do they provide. Are they providing ENERGY STAR approved products, which is the bare minimum? Is it a product that's double paned or even triple paned? Because again, if single pane glass is being used, obviously that's not very efficient at all for our region of the country. Also, what kind of vinyl are they using if you're looking for vinyl windows? Is it pure virgin vinyl? Is it a reground vinyl? Is it a thicker vinyl, a substrate, so that it's a thicker vinyl? Thin vinyls, meaning thin walls, are not a good idea. This is a window extrusion here that I'm going to look at here. It's from DeKooning. And the multi-chambers inside of here is what gives us the strength to the vinyl itself, to the window itself. And also, it's what houses the glass. So you want to make sure that there's plenty of thickness, that it's a true 3¼ inch pocket window overall, so it fits back into your old pocket of your old wood, of your old frame of your window. So these are some things you want to look at. You want to make sure that there's plenty of structure, plenty of rigidity, and that it's not a thin wall, that it's a heavy walled extrusion that's at least around 80 thousandths thick. So these are some basic things that we look at up front, that making sure that the lift handle, that when you raise and lift the window or slide the window, that's extruded into the frame itself, so it's not something screwed on that can come off. And again, you wanting to make sure that the locks are recessed, that it's nice hardware, that it feels nice and snug, that when the window's locked that you can't jimmy it, and that you can't shift it sideways, because if you can shift a window and it's opening sideways, that can break the seal and create air infiltration. So those are some of the things that as you start looking for windows, that you're looking for something that's substantial, that you're looking for something that's a higher quality, that has at least double pane glass, has nice heavy walled construction, reinforcements as well, making sure that it's rigid enough, licensed contractor, members of the Better Business Bureau, and a physical location, so that if you would have an issue down the road, that you'd be able to get the correct service that you would need.